What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you or discuss with you JBL Tune 770NT versus Skullcandy Crusher EVO. Which headset are better? So if you're planning on getting either one of these, or you're just wondering or you're just comparing these two products, there are going to be a few things that you need to know here. And also, if you guys would like to buy either one of these, I will leave an Amazon link or Amazon links here to them in the description of this video. But I would suggest you to watch the video first to see which one is better for you. So let's go ahead and start with the battery life. So both of these have great battery life, but there's a slight difference. So for the Crusher EVO, it lasts around like 40 hours on a full charge, and if you're in a rush, a 10-minute charge gives you around like 4 extra hours. Now for the JBL Tune 770NC, it gives you around like 35 hours, but in this case, that's with active noise cancelling or ANC turned on, which is quite impressive here. So if you want an absolute longest battery life here, obviously the Crusher EVO has the edge. But if you plan to use noise cancellation while listening, JBL still holds up really well here. Now, what about the sound quality? Now, if you're a bass lover, and in this case, you're going to love the Skullcandy Crusher EVO. It has this Crusher Tech feature that lets you adjust the bass levels. So if you want to, if you just want a deep thumping bass that you can literally feel, this is the way to go. Now, on the other hand, the JBL Tune 770NC gives you that classic JBL sound. Clear, balanced, and precise. It's great if you listen to a variety of music and want something that sounds more natural rather than just heavy on the low end. So if you're into bass heavy music like hip hop or EDM, Crush or in this case EDM like Crush EVO is the better choice here. But if you want an all-around solid option here, or in this case output, then in this case, or more detailed, and you find JBL Tune 770NC is the way to go. Now for the comfort and design here, something that is really important, especially if you wear headphones for long periods. Now, the Crusher EVO here has a thicker padding and a sturdier build, so it feels premium and affordable. Now, the JBL Tune 770NT is lighter and in this case foldable, which makes it more portable and travel friendly. Now, if you mostly wear headphones at home or want the most cushioned experience, the Crusher EVO is great. But if you're always on the go and need something lighter and easy to pack, JBL Tune 770NC is more practical. Now, there are some extra features that you might want to know here. So the Crusher EVO has a tile tracking, which is super useful if you ever lose your headset. Plus, it comes with a protective travel bag. Now, JBL Tune 770NC here has hands-free calling and voice assistant support, making it more convenient for calls and in this case, controlling your music without using your phone a lot easier. So it tends if you tend to misplace your stuff, the tile tracking on Crusher EVO is a lifesaver here. But if you take a lot of calls or using voice commands, then JBL Tune 770 here is the better pick. Now, which one should you choose? Now, if you want a powerful bass, long battery life, and extra features like tile tracking, go for the Skullcandy Crusher EVO. Now, if you prefer balanced sound, noise cancellation, portability, and budget-friendly option, then JBL Tune 770 is the way to go here. But it really comes down to what matters most to you. In this case, are you about the deep bass experience, or do you want something versatile and easy to carry around? But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.